we are done. Okay, good. We are done with the 8 videos, all of you. No worries. Okay. So what we need to do is, ma'am, open this asset and the construction document, ma'am. So today I will going to send you the scenario how we can able to buy the assets through purchase orders. Okay. Asset under construction. Huh? Open the asset under construction document. Huh? Good. Yes. Open the asset under construction document. Okay, right, all of you. So we will do the asset under construction processing documents and all. See, each and every document configuration is very, very important. And at the same time, asset under construction document is also very, very important. I mean, it is not a particular document. So in our real time, we just call the this thing as a document. Okay, but the thing is that you can able to purchase whatever the things that you want to have. Okay, and that asset under constructions values will be added to the one thing. Okay, what is the value that will be added to the one thing? So based on the recordings values, what are those recording values? Asset under constructions recording values. Okay, so that is very, very important right now. We have now what we need to do is, can you just, I think so we have written each and every things, right? Mm. Okay, we do one thing. Can you go to the this thing, ma'am? Go to the transaction code AS01. Go to the transaction code AS01 and try to create the one asset with asset under construction class. Yeah, create the one asset, ma'am. 01.07.2023. Capitalization date is 01.07.2023. Time dependent business areas. No need to give any depreciation areas. Okay. Why? Because it is not a depreciation areas things and all, right? Enter a valid depreciation key. Okay. Go to that depreciation, ma'am. Triple zero. No depreciation and no interest. Go to the save button and save it, ma'am. All right. So same thing. Asset and asset classes. Do we have any asset, ma'am? Do you have any existing asset that you have created previously? If the asset is not there, take out the asset classes, that is plant and machinery, and create
Yes,
the new
I
asset.
have an asset, sir. Plant and machine.
Oh, okay, good. Go back to that thing. Show me that asset, ma'am. What is the asset? So have you calculated the depreciations and all? Click on the enter. Depreciation things and all. Okay, good. Give slash and ma'am. No issue. And we need to define the settlement period. Okay, so go to that uh, document, ma'am. Go to that document. Go to that document and define settlement profile using transaction code OK07. Okay, this we can call it as the standard settlement profiles and all. Go to the OK07 transaction code. So take out the AI, ma'am. So do we have any AI? AI is the settlement asset under constructions. Okay, double click on this AI, ma'am. If this is not existed, okay, see, you can able to define your own settlement profile with the help of copying of the standard profiles asset under constructions. Okay, so that is the important thing right now. We have double click on this thing, ma'am. Double click on this thing. Okay, to be settled in full, can be settled, not for settlement. Okay, you can opt for any options. Okay, then is it valid for the receivers based on the GLs, based on the cost center, based on the order wise, based on the WBS, that is the work breakdown structures, elements, and fixed assets and materials? See, that is your choice. Okay, so based on our fixed retirement only, we are doing the asset under construction settlement process. Okay, now you can just observe fixed assets. Two settlements are required. What are those settlements? Can you open this thing, ma'am? Second settlement is required. So here in the valid references, valid receivers, you can able to have the fixed assets. In the fixed assets, you can able to have the two settlement required fields. Okay, so that is the very important point right now. So here there is a fixed asset, valid receivers. Open the fixed asset. Uh, Go to the drop down option. You can able to have number of options: settlement not allowed, settlement options, settlements required. Okay, for the fixed assets, settlement required is must. Okay, all of you, right? Can you give slash and ma'am? And the document type is AA. Maximum number of the distributional rules are 999, and residence time is 12 months. In any year, in any period, you can able to do this fixed retirement settlement process. Okay. Good. Now what we need to do, so we can able to follow with the actions. Okay, what are those actions? Through navigation path only we can able to do the settlement profile. Okay. uh, Go to the SPRO reference IMG, ma'am. Using transaction code OAAZ, go to the transaction code OAAZ. Or else we can go with the path, but I will give you the navigation path I have told you in ECC, right? Okay. See, this is FI to AA settlement profile. No, no, not this thing. That is, we have already settled that profile. Mm. Okay. SPRO reference IMG. SPRO reference IMG. Financial accounting, asset accounting, transactions, asset accounting, transactions, capitalization of asset under constructions. Yes. And settlement profile is over. Huh? Acquisitions. No, no, no. Transfer to company asset transfers. What is that? Define assets. Can you go to the define asset settlement profiles, ma'am? No, no, this is just for the define. Yes, assign settlement profile to the company code. Yes. Assign a settlement profile to the company code. Why this is getting YB00A? Okay, go to the position, and this is exact transaction code OAAZ. Good. Give the company code. Continue. Take out that thing, ma'am. Settlement profile. No, no, no. Go to the drop down option. Mm. Okay, take out the settlement profile asset under construction. Click on the enter. Right. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, some of the persons are taking the customization settlement profiles and on. Now we are just about to take this AI. Okay. So the next one is we have to maintain the settlement things profile documents and all. Okay, for the document types, can you go to the transaction code OBA7, ma'am? Go to the transaction code OBA7. Give slash n OBA7 document types. Do we have asset accounting postings in all? Number range will be there. Okay, this one is there. No issue. Come back, ma'am. Depreciation postings AF01 is there. Good. I think so. For the main settlement profiles and all, AA and AF. Okay, good. No issue. Ma'am, asset under construction is over. Before we create this asset under constructions, assign a particular controlling area to the main assets. Okay, it is important. But what we need to do is, ma'am, can you go to the transaction code OKKP? Go to the transaction code OKKP. Yes. Continue. Now go to the new entries, ma'am. Give the controlling area, ma'am. Yes, and give the name. It's just see, I'm just creating the assets, and assignments of the company code is also very important. Okay, if it throws any error regarding with that thing, and we can able to maintain the number ranges. Okay. Can just give the controlling area, ma'am. No issue. Controlling area same as company code, and currency type is a 10. That is company code currency. No, ma'am. Click on the enter. Automatically, all will come. Your fiscal year variant will come. So based on your, why it is not taking DUR1. Okay, now you should give that thing, ma'am. Fiscal year variant and chart of accounts. And give the cost center standard hierarchy. Anything, ma'am. DUR1 underscore CCSTR. See, this is just for the controlling things in all. Why? Because this is related to the settlements things and all. Okay, so for that settlements things, and you should know the profit and you should know the loss, right? So what is the cost center that we are using, and what is the profit center that we are using? So we should able to do it. Yes. Okay. So go to the save button and save it, ma'am. And we need to activate the components. Yes. Continue. So standard hierarchy is not there, and we can able to create the standard hierarchy for that thing. Okay. Go to the continue option. Create it. Continue. If you don't have any errors, all of you just create it. Okay, go to the active components or controlling things, ma'am. Double click on this activate components. Go to the new entries, ma'am, and just give the year. Just give the year 2023. Cost center activated and asset accounting type is activated. Good. Everything is fine. And order management is also activate. Order management is nothing but the O2C. Take out the component active. One component active. Click on the enter. Go to the assignments of the assignments of company codes. Assign the company code to the particular controlling areas. Go to the new address and just give the company code. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, continue. No issue. Just give the description, ma'am. Just give the description. No. Controlling area. And new project ID is, go to the new project ID. Go to the drop down option. Just take out the project ID as 7, ma'am. See, this is just for the work breakdown structures only. Create the project, no issue. A mass projects already existed. Can you create the 8? Remove the 7, just give 8. Remove the 7, just give 8. And go to the create project. Continue, ma'am. Okay, this has no address. Go to the continue option, ma'am. Yes. Okay, company code has been assigned to the particular controlling area. Come back now, one step back. Give slash in. Give slash in. See, everything should be assigned to the particular company code with the help of controlling areas and on. Okay, so give slash in and once again go to the transaction code OKKP and we should we should analyze whether this controlling area has been assigned to the particular company code or not. Okay, if the company code is existed for the particular controlling area, there is no issue. Okay. Select the DUR1, that is controlling areas and double click on this. Yes, everything is perfect. Can you give slash n, ma'am? What we need to do is go to this notepad. Go to this notepad, and we have already defined the settlement profiles. And we have assigned the company code to the particular controlling areas. And we have already created the asset under constructions assets. Okay, now what we need to do is we should acquire this asset under construction from the vendor. And that should not be calculated the depreciation. Okay, see this asset doesn't need any depreciation. Why? Because you have to transfer the assets through asset under constructions. Okay, from asset under constructions to the main assets. Okay, we do have main assets and we do have asset under construction set. Okay, then what we need to do is go to that okay, what we need to do is, can you open this notepad, ma'am? Go to the notepad. Yes, so we need to acquire the assets from the vendor using transaction code F-90. Okay, can you go to the transaction code F-90? Go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Okay, so try to acquire the assets from the vendor using the date 01.07.2023, and with the help of all these things we can able to transfer the assets from asset under constructions to the main asset. Okay, period is 4 and document the text is document the text is asset under construction, asset under constructions acquirement from vendor. Asset under constructions acquirement or else acquisition. Okay, take out the posting key. 70 is the posting key. That is a debit of the assets and all. And the account is take out the normal account, ma'am. Asset under constructions, yes. And take out the transaction type is external acquisitions. That is 100. External acquisition is 100. Okay. Now give the amount as star and text as place. Give the amount as star and text as place. And go to the document save button and save it. That way you can call it as a post option or else go to the simulate option and post it. Correct the customizing settings for the universal general ledger. Why? Open this thing. Open this FINSC underscore custom underscore CONS underscore check P. No, 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 not this thing. PP. This will going to have a lot of errors. Open the FINSC underscore. Mass data project 8 not defined completely and posting is not allowed. The version of CO controlling area. Inata. Give me 1 second, all of you.